chikabato gukwanira igoro yo mwerio wiri tukolyo mwerio 15 no yo gucengera igoro ya mangana ya iyo kunerero kwa bana abanyaruka nabo igo abaswati se gender based violence nabo igo na nguko inyuria siri tukolya rero neri tukolya human rights day wose igoro yo kwanira wose yo gucengera na kubainyuria igoro yo bwene bwa mwanya bantu igwa siri tukolya rero mwanzo mulia na mangi abageni babwata se studio ayiba uchwa bawo tumanya ibitsana ko bato kwemanya na wesomya kurwasi bari yotwengenda ya maseyamo icyesa abageni bahita baranya ko bakwani kuva mu baranya ko bamukomanya na barabumba rabi okutochwa bato usangana barabu asomero biringa karibu sana mada imeyo murobero okwana neta ya siri tukolya rero kuva na ndegesyo asiri tukolya rero usangana abasabati boka asenge njama ngana ya gender based violence na temire kolingo liloje na monomono igabukwanirwa ase gose uchiya saba sabati amuna abana abanyaruka asaboniga kora kwani mwancu muriye arabaga kumanya naye ndimo nende nkyogo kora nende kayogore tegatorachaka na mada kurase okoboko kwanya ubukuri karibu
abancha barigere ngo bakwani mbiye muri mwensi asa Marieta Nkuruku Edna Atambo ncheno mwegereri wo bwende bo bonyabanta sensema ya gusina ningo korande gasi civic education gosomia abantu asebinyuro iguro yo bwene bwabo na richi kureto ya Kenya nkiri goteba kurengana nuko ukotema kuimukiriria sensema iri tukuru kumna governance na democracy sensema yetu ya Kenya mbiye mona.
Asante sana, karibu sana Imeyeta TV. Karibu sana madam aso kwa wako bena kwa mwancho.
Mbia mono mwanya getinge asa Marieta Nkuruku Dr. Magdalene Gesari Magangi njene gender expert omwalimu we high school but what experience ye university ngosomia mangana gender nimbate organization ikoro ku Chit-Chat with Dr. Meg as organization yingukwanira tura mangana GBV amangana mental health women empowerment programs Johnson Jire say organization yeyu nainde nago kiresana weke studio rero ukwanira mangana ya 16 days of activism.
Yes, ana to chakana Magdalene Bone Sola mangana ya gender based violence anda ke mwancho muri na risiko gari ne barinde mwabere moto inyuria igoro yo cengera ritukeri no kolinyura usama tukare 15 nomo nara rero bado isiko gari utamanyiti na gender based violence ikige to kwanira mwigoro ya kimba manyiti abasubati mbali me naba sacha mbali me bose nabana abanyaruka boka nabasubati.
Gender based violence ne umbrella term egokwanira mangana violence indeyonsi ekoba perpetrated yani egokorera umuntu ekiagera kia gender yae yani ni ile violence inakuwa perpetrated against somebody kwa sababu ya jinsia yake. Wono abakungu babere baize koma na baruka na Marieta itari gender based violence lakini umukungu no musacha bakoma na mukungu uyu atebye musachi inga ino muntu moriri sana gender based violence na inde egwetera ere different forms of violence gusiga igantu bwate female genital mutilation yo ogosara bana banyaruka ntobwate violence area kenyumba ile tunaita intimate partner violence aso musacha no mukungu bakurwana usomo musacha akurwani umukungu ntobwata mangana rape and defilement defilement neri abana bale below the age of 18 kuba bekarende baso into a relationship n'ebintu binene ntobwate nonye kitukurukanga sexual harassment in the workplace abantu barimo gukora na barabwegasi onyore nk'omodosio maybe no mukungu use no musacha particularly maybe to make example yo musacha is your boss lakini as a woman utagete gusene promotion usigasi gete gokipwe gasi yawo gotenga bono ndaite ngumirane naye hotel gete chisa gete igatorore na kitugo kwanira mangana ye promotion gender based violence agokorere igi kiagira ino mukungu tari kurangeri musacha onde guchi hotel egere bakwana mangana ayu behind closed doors. Gender based violence inaende gweta paka yaso amangana kwerende dowry related violence ntobwate hii maneno ya kulipa dowry kwa nyomiro mukungu kwa mwaka nere chiombe ekera ikire mwauna kioko mo treat okomo tengana gwakanete chiombe okwamanyire gochaga igatota itikondo serie ndagira usebinto bunebyo yonsi violence yenabeko ba physical iliyo gwako muntu paka mwarura agaigaro muntu naumiete gusena beko ba verbal eria mangana gwetera mangana muntu agukwana na kiako yakwana okorama ni bintu bune guseko ba psychological psychological ne rimo menyete nabono in the home setup momenyete mu nyumba alafu umuntu nya kugochegira kintari ko gukwanira gustari ko gotebikende bintu buna tokoroka nga silent treatment musacha n'umukungu bamenyete nyumba emetiyenyi gose amatuko kada partner tari gukwanira oyo mwabo amukirerete kiri okikoboringa ninki nakore nkiekebe in psychological ngochere yaba baka economic violence eringa ubwate besa partner yawe tabwatie besa na indi numa itenga mbobwete mukore gasi yamu gose murageria abana mo uyu tabwatie besa achikobori kendo uyu ubwate besa tebanga bona ayo nyetorente tikende mesa inki utagite kuragera you know eibone go chaika economic you understanding amore married uyu matabwatie gasi kustabwatie besa but you frustrate them economically. Situations inchire to egure na for example umusacha konyomo mukungo motenga ebebe ningo anchete egasi to kumiko gende gasi ntai to tige gasi torende family mukungo tige gasi wanekera ikire nyumba oribono chaka kumu frustrate tari ko moendagira tari kumugorera chianga tari kumwago no nyina mavuta ne bintu bine eyonsi beyonce ebi violence yani it is very many forms chigweta through either emotional verbal psychological but the most rampant one asaba ngina is the sexual gender based violence yego chana physically abasacha the one form bagwetera the most emotional eito akorera to tenga psychological no nye verbal inervo no men undergo most. Yes
to gocha ase Madam Edna asiki yani amangana ya gender based violence kubwa mrona to gocha twenyura abasubati n'abanyaruka muno kubwa na abasacha of course senyenjera na Madam nakanyera anariko bagakorera abasacha nabarabuna ko nyarore nkubire wabali asiki to kunyura muno n'abasubati n'abanyaruka
egentege tangana nande komenta nayo ngerina engenja basupati tutongire ekero umuntu akogosero sakune niko tema turi kurira bukisiko ndori gukiria kere nanyori na chande usina akiru nabango no nyasi doctor motenda kigaki nage twigoro ibintu nango bodi neke lakini abasacha mbaringa barayimuke bone bachagote yaya na agoseiro neba no musacha ndo mogoseire abakesana bagotetika nkugisacha toroji bono no na basupati barubuto gotema nande twatwari into kitogote wanga tugato create networks to chamo to chaka gukwanirana exclusion yeri okonyora ntonye bwati mono asensemo yaito konyora to ikatwarira twarangirani to teteka tukure mono tigatoke sokinga na tuigwikane bono kwigwetera sinyincheri to ne tukurukare kuno abari bari ngabatangani na kikiagere nga rero konyora most like muntu ko na gender based violence agote ninsemo yabasupati tari basupati buka paka basacha mbarimbe bari bakunura lakini rendi nga yabasacha abari wimuke bakwane ekero ko unereriwe no musubati uwakire musacho ndogote ya to basuko kwana akugesacha kusote ya gukona no mwisitu isaini so such kind of things chirichire cultural na social setups chiageranga abasacha abange mbari gukona batayena kiyaya no to wetraya ninchandigete gusina kinenje mukonyara gonkonya nakitote no ketunyo gukwana ketunyo weta sebinyo tote na ki tingonyara gukwana cha kugira basubati ntika basacha mage no musacha onde naro tiga bachamo nabo bakwanekera baunereri gosengenjo na turasukubwamo ndo twara basabati bari bosio abasacha batigare magega rero tukunya kugo bandote na kia bana bamura batikirumaga na kitoko nyara kubaimukina baro baske magega na kitoko nyara gukini egesako kia bamura na barobu banyara gwikwanira kereba baunereriwu muna basabati bantu gukwana. Yes.
Igomona sabatuka ya iga 15 no abasacha na barabumbari.
Ndobate ndokoroka positive masculinity na ndobate ndokoroka mna involvement of male champions in all such conversations chiroro eketokora nini conversation cha 16 days of activism. Activities inchiro chire geared towards naki what is the role mna yo musacha sensemo ya gender based violence na nina kitora nyara ko mitigate na ndimbaro dogo ikatwa twanyora basacha mbaro bagotete na baro bakwigirira basubati na basubati mbaro na bota na kitiga ndogo tiga basacha mbaro na baro mbage tigatokora ki tigatubegirire na turanyara ko genda sobwamo
yesa anda ke asoro ngo rwabusi inkyo konyora ke ukosa mangana ya gender based violence
again take nene ke gukosi na semo ya economic tote mekorigireri esensemo sokora kwane noche ubugima bwa kongire iro kabantu bari bari asensemo ichi family intimate partner violence ichikoba konyoro maybe mu gako chiro so mugino chira ande ochire ochiro tebire na kingorire chumbi musacho mutaya chumbi ni kubure undo bachakire segi abduroji igente kenene konya ida ni chibesa chigo chaka no economic violence ya chaka na ense meringa ngwikira saba subati twa tema koene ne keri bintu bingi turu chamangana tuko chaka mwajibisha ndete dete kuira nansi wara mwanyara munsi muimukirigoro mwanyara chisegi chiabeire na ngendo kende kiriyo daktari ka ukwana na sensemo ya cultural practices chiri chirororo nginjo FGM eto kunya gukwana na ki tiga kunya kusara abana chinyaruka ine ire culturally instigated kwanyara nga ya tiga abantu bagende twarukia abana sinje na ruete getoro na njenge mentenge getoro so chibintu bunebi so for me I feel economic na cultural na social setup chiri tomenyete nginjo twakine tigunga musubati utamwagitikiranya tari tagumanya sinu mwanjete mochi narrative nchiro konyora chira save nyoronga kwara muchuti yake na riara mayena no gambete chiza chira tari lazima muchuti na mugukwanira na mangana yo akoreki aere gusumutire kirago sire ako mutio mungina ge kwa gosire tikatokorega na yes
yes kuma mona asema Magdalene so far twarurida kurundi tukoli tangaria chagete gocha mugwate chi campaigns chimwakorire mwatale chinsemo au mono asensemega yo gosaro kwa abana basubati asaba ngo bakusiyo konyorana uko yani uko tutinyiriga bo long holiday yo December kubona naria banta bange bakwanda nende babisa ikora kana of course igakora kana nabantu mama etembo batokonyorane bakwanda bage kora kebo bisi nkimwa kolere kwene kina asorongo rwabusi tunya kwa to Syria lingani libyo gusaro kwa abana basubati sinjo bana it's among the yani the types yo konyorana chira agenda based violence.
There's a lot that has been done. Tigato chakere the law. There is a law, the anti-FGM law, in place. Na inde nja chite ekaba enhanced so much. One ege penalty nero roromondo yugo sahara bana. Aise kobo atuiga. A penalty atawekwa ndani ama alipe is it 500,000. Ambaye hawezi afford. Half a million chine chibesa chinyinge. Lakini bono because bamanyetenga the law is clear. Ono bachire under abana abange to kuyunga abakuminyukiwa yugusa abandi bayiruse in Tanzania baba moved to other places na inde it has been discovered in a medicalization ere highest where in a practitioner or a medic osene nurse or clinical officer abantu buno bone gabagendete ne practice yeyo a campaign negenderete organizations in Chirororo abantu babigete their ears on the ground. The other day when our teams went to South Mugirango, abana babere narrowly escaped the cut because walikuwa washaandaliwa na ni watoto wa below 10 years. But tunaona kwa sababu tumekuwa tukicreate awareness, ujumbe ulifikia hata watoto. Wanajua hii kitu ni mbaya. So by the time wanapangiwa wakapata fununu, the elder child alipopata hii fununu kwamba siku fulani kunaenda kukua hivi, akakimbia akapata ile namba akapiga simu. Na vile alipiga tu simu hivi, hawa watu walishikwa as we are talking right now wako ndani. And for us that is a big milestone. Na hiyo ni message ile tunatuma kule nje kwamba vile umeshikwa kutoka sasa haitakuwa rahisi. Kwa sababu ni it teamwork. Tuliko koriga siyaweka. After babere arrested babekirweme. We have the whole administration in charge. County Commissioner's office, anybody, police once. We have the law, magistrates mbare ready to prosecute na indeba itie kineke paka the end. In between challenges chikora aba sometimes ni ile kwamba umuntu buno aise koba suspected go say case buno ikigese koba and then wakifika huko kwa polisi maybe hapo inapotelea samwe unga ilienda lakini evidence haikuwa umwano over compromised kusumu ibori over compromised and so on. Amangana FGM haishiki tu ule mwenye alikuwa anaenda kukata, inashika paka mzazi wa mtoto. Kwa sababu mzazi ndiye amebeba huyu mtoto akampeleka kule. Wewe ni daktari hospitalini for example, hautatibu mgonjwa hauna. Mimi ndio nitakuletea mgonjwa ndio ufanye nini? Umtibu. So the two are both criminals na the charges will be inferred upon them.
Okay. We are sana. So far, Madam Edna, any difference mwenye alikuwa mwoko make ase ya matuka ya 15 na manere liye kwa ene kina mangana agenda based violence anyali kwa kao kiani wa kumwa manona asoro wongoro usi.
Egente getangani information usa awareness abantu baikire konyora ujumbe asengencho mono esengencho mono uteme kuri ngincho twachite byombe yao n'abantu wao ne stakeholders ao paka abantu be serikali tweme kuno nyaba abana siasa mbatu wara chifora muniji kugikiria mangana ya gendrete yukunya ya GBV bono asense mo yanendo chente kenene nkeringa amangana atamire gutara wikira abantu na kumanya gender based violence ngentoki nani na kitoko nyara gutanga ibintu bunebe na inde gente kenene eseme ringa twanyere koreta abantu abangime asensemo yuko yo mungsuri bo koreta ba iroka basacha asenseme na abantu no abantu bari marete singincho twankurige ringa na kitoko include kiro muntu na kiro muntu aranyare ko wajibika guseko soime anyare gukwanira ringa neri bona sensemo yanengerina ebinda sensemo yote ya Kisii county twanyare gwikirani na ndintu mune kimege kirwo kwa na daktari akire uchika kwa negoro ya bana abo turuche empowerment ya sira sabana bambanyiro poene bwa bomborobi na ninga iba ko report kuchi asengenjo hotline sinchiro china mbanjiro chiro free toll numbers chiro wake kero muntu ko unereri go seuro chenga violations chabire wakorekana bona cases mune chinku pia ngoro kirenga mwanyare kumeka tua asengenje ya response mechanisms chirichi ya koreki chekire utoka ensemo ya Gusii. Yes, so asense asayu na stakeholders abantu mbaro bari turoche ase binyoro sase gwita bari bote influence umuntu naruma to gukwana abantu bamutegerera leaders betu banyari kuimuka iguru gukwanira sensemo ya Gusii twaro chenga kete women rep babwate nini nakibakoroka marani bachete bakatore nini kituto cha chino gesieka babwate women reps bachete ngo twara tore events tigwita kadha gwita abantu ekera abantu abane baba ukwanika usaba kugika sekenyo ba sensemo na baba chireme ego twara impact yanene asengenjo yogo shape na narrative na mindsets cy'abantu na kibago Gusii.
Okay, yes, lakini dentro na still ne ba changes chuma wote bananchiro still dentro na abantu asorongo rwa Gusii mbage ndrede Gusii yugo mwa basinjira cyugo tutukanu anage nabona musacho yonyo atukare muchi so does it mean moroje mwanyale kwa mungo sensitize abantu nabo bamenu baba aware of amangana yegabije
bado nturekera kiro muntu ngende kene nturekera kiro muntu nande it's a journey tote abane sabari gucha gwikira abo gucha ku eradicate pine a process yentambe singe nchoko nyora chinsa chinde ibintu mbire uta enyare gutanga atago insemo yiruka sensemo kera chisegi chia nyumba chiro chinsemo che esegi ya nyumba egente kene nurako no gosomia abantu na gotema ubi hope nga ngo chibari gutiga kurwana gose mbari genchira bara resolve chime chisegi echu nande umaite ngento nge nande ntugete tugakona rinde nande station igena tinko nyara nchengo teina ki etnaga igaya haya musacho gwidiri mono imuka oimuke uigo gosoka nando irane poka ebwe ko monyene bwa moto na kiyaya asiye ikire yisanire tigangi mukentige ubugima bwa no bwingenjo kubu umuntu aracangitire nyumba sengenjo ya manganande so it's still a process still tubate gasi nyingi tubonte gukora muna abayigirirwo bone bonya abantu byombe biri Gusii muna nini chi institutions chirimna no nabasigari no judiciary ndubwete gento tubwe gasi nyingi tubonte gukora iro kasensemo ya reporting abantu abange mwete mbari guchibashtaki bagote ya ati tukambege nkamangana tokoreki tokore riba utunyagoza ya kwasirire tari umuchi muno mugakunde ugakire gusini naki awakire gechiko akire mayaga igagatebu ya no musacha remereri tiago staki musabati akabe kunzina bambura mu agakwibiranya mangana yo akoraki akaera akatebu ya atigira onoro che step no mugako ya nkuimuka take to report musabati uri abwa dosingi that is a criminal offense abwa that's an assault abe kume agambigwe kina togo ikirawo mayete na maybe tora atware change but in Kisii ndobwate nginzo kirito ya tigatore ndiri tari family tigatore ndiri tari tumno muchiko sekinyoro geto nturkunyo gushtaki so we still have a lot of things to want to korabna abantu sensemo irande ko involve kiro muntu nande botambe ngo tayanga abantu bari babwate bagukwana bagwikana iroka religious leaders asikanisa pastors abasasiroti tiga bateme gukwana ringaneri tari ugo ntuti gukwana mangana maho yes ndobwata mangana siasa na bintu lakini tete mukwana mangana tsi nonye ekere shide ya sinyire kera abantu bachira sekanisa for counseling koro pastor digati kenda nyumba remereri ibintu mbiro tanyara kore motebye kene na kinonye ya sinyire tigirago tiga kunya ubugimo bwono bwingencha abana baomba ko ganeti familia yabo niko ganeti monyara ki moiteranira singe njogo tena ki kanisa ya tende mereri tiga bare abantu bichikanisa nabo bimukiriguru ukwanira ingani teba ni abantu badukunya tewa bantana abantu ba activists bakunya kuga chipara onde bwensi no media kena mwakire let's air these conversations abantu batebe kene na turanyare gusuka.
I'd like to add onto that. Oroche na tua korire campaign ya 16 days of activism. We've been in different media houses. Na media houses mwate followers ya bangi sana. Riri tuakorete launch tugatara town yari. But a good number of us have been in the media houses. One, we are in ensuring sensitization. Again, tonkere na inde edna kwanire. Na you cannot be taken out of an abusive marriage. It is true. And I'd like to bring in a certain group of people who are often wako forgotten ekereto kwanira mangana violence. The elderly. But particularly abasacha who are elderly, osibari above the age of 50, but banyomete very young women. Banyomete abakungu bari maybe in their 20s or 30s. So konyoro musacha ari go 70, but anyomete mukungu yori 30, 40 at most. These people lokonyora at that age he is dependent on the girl. Mukungu by the time she was even marrying this man he was financially stable maybe. Bono retired tabu atibesa are dependent on mukungu banyore na nyana abana. A good number of them I know go through violence and we have had such cases. And the men okonyora in such a situation musacha are so weak he cannot even walk out of a marriage ye reason being na kiago soka. He defended Yakarento Mukungu, maybe the younger wife. How does he even help this woman maybe to do what? To come out? How does he leave this woman again to defend? Also, when we talk of the gender conversation, what the different interest groups, what the children, what the women, what the disabled, persons with disability, what the elderly and youth. So GBV, when we talk about it, ego chanaende ya kuna all these groups. By the time to abekire categories yechicho. So jinga kiru muntu nalime. Because if you're talking of the elderly, abagaka na barabu balime. When you talk of youth, there are young men also in that category. When you talk of children, abana bamura na barabu, they are in that category. Finally, because of the campaigns to aberito gukora, we have received reactions on onye chiabasacha. Nonye kereto tu akore walk bakubo 9 tunto chandikete 9 tuga kimwato tegerera abasacha tu achandikire they are airing their views even if it is not he ogwekwanira ngukwanira ale oyamanyete and that feedback is good nkwe gutotebanga in most cases ednabuna arile yatebanga most cases amangana violence nabakungu bago come out bakwana abasacha abange nonye mbona I'd like to ask the viewers abasacha umukungu abega kugwaka nyumba kwanyago tebyonde abakungu the minute umusacha mwake she will run to the relatives atebya abayiboli baye atebya abayiboli bo musacha atebya her best friend agende goza report atebya nonye pastor kanisani. That is how women respond. Abasacha rende men research area kolire otenga musacha tago tebya ba in law baye ngatebya family umukungu mwana ino nangaka. Men don't report to the family yomokungu. They are too proud to report even to their own family. Tagote bamuraba mwabugo sibayiboli bayenga mukungu oli nchandire. Tagote binonye pastor ekanisa. The closest yomusachara atebi ne friend. Musani orioye or close. Usage ende police. Atebi musikaringa mukungu na ronjandira sigete. So when they come out and they speak about it, then now even the rest of the world also accepts aroga iganaro mangana imezidi. Na hiyo ndio sasa tunasemanga advocacy and lobbying. When they speak like that, nonye into who are speaking for the gender reaction yeji, na into we come out and we tell the people on air, even you women, it is not all women who are suffering violence. There are also men who are suffering violence, and the women are perpetrating violence to these men and making it look like wow, you victims. So we speak for men also. Some of these women who perpetrate violence, economic umusacha maybe one time nabo ategasi covid-19 yegache gasi iye kaera wono sadeli umukungu nerore empowered musacha tabwati pesa mukungu uyu murigereri igakera rituko umubekere hotpot itabwati endagere mesa nga hata we kula tu hiyo hewa hiyo ndio umeleta. Unaona? So there is also violence perpetrated a lot against men. Research nere ya kore tu na indengo na ingini hii ya Kenya Demographic Health Survey hii ya 2022. Men in urban setup versus men in rural setup. Aba sacha bali bali urban setup. Urban setup nonyega igabuna turi gusiga bali bamenyete chi flats, chi apartment na kadhalika. They suffer violence more than aba sacha bali in the rural setup. That is research, it has been exposed and it is in public domain. These men, they go back home, they don't have work to do maybe, they are relying depending on their partner who is also economically empowered. One woman in the house and you both have money, but she will not spend her money, she expects you to spend your money. And men are going, a good number of men in urban setup are going through violence in comparison to men who are in the rural setup. Yes.
Wow, we are sana kwa ile asinjirenge kabisa kwa mwana tigaba abasaje bali sikogaria bateme sana batema goshare nekera bagwate problem even to their friends say ninjona abange baje ko nyana bawate abasaje abange babo bakolera gochinda barumba yotaka
kibosaje bawuke bosaje bose bari bakunyugende bagenda bakorere babanyoma nande bayiro
in fact amesema point ingine very strong. Men are drinking more than ever before. Wamepotelea kwa pombe. Now I have had sessions where abasacha bawo chabantebi doc inchencha ndegete I cannot even stay in my house, it is inhabitable. Ule mwanamke ameniweza kabisa, heri nikunywe pombe.
Anakuja kwa nyumba saa 9 asubuhi, anakunywa usiku yote, akuja saa 9 saa 10 alale funzo amuke education anaenda kazi. So there's no time that okonya romonto uyo abwate enough time ne familia yae. Asingenjo either nyumba iteri conducive usimu jidru conducive wawenta kobera nyumba abu na abana bae kwanya. So some things pia nae sisi wenyewe tumeanza kuirigi mna basubati mchango yangu ni gani towards these kind of things. Na kigira basacha wande tigabai mukepa kwane batema gukwana turoji bache bautabayaya kwangose igane running away sometimes tirikucha ya solve those problems. Yeah, it's also good to speak up.
Wow, yes sana. Kwa maana tusi kufikiria amangana gender based violence kuba mona na nasi family usisa abasaye saba ababa watu effects ya gender based violence bona chekera umuntu maybe abere violated maybe abandi baro batekunya kukwano kuzi bara abandi bawo chabeita amangana depression na so ninde ayande na rya yabo cha alora abantu nabekera banyane ko bakunirwa sinchire ya osiyende madame
ngendenga ekenene mona geko bani mental health depression. It's very rampant asibona nseme kwanyora abantu ida na kimuntu ida so kunywa mariogo ando banyuba beita abande bakora kende usondo nero kura guita abande nendo kende no guita ugukwa turochi effect ende when daughter ngate nseme ya human rights, everybody has a right to life. Nimbo ato bone bukomenyense bona kerase ekere uja tore gender based violence kweterese giacha kamnanga ke kwanyora umuntu wakirumuna igamna go sorry ukuri nagi kunya kwa muna reto to komake end femicide abasubati abande beitirwa sengenjo mostly ne bantu bare related bare in a relationship beitirwa sengenjo ngento bunekyo go affect ile paka abana mentally. Disintegration yengo chira yagera paka affect abana. Daktari we are having a conversation kuri ngoikere bana bunabona igora remna ukora namba mbi abari lakini kaba gukina ibintu bibaroche wosetse gichiri baroche mna tata na mama bantu kurano se bakora, they also affect them in future. Either baba bo wose bayirana na baro bakwanya na baro perpetrators baroche neginto kire normal. So effects ya gender based violence ngo gara chiri paka Maria Sarika for example na ndi ntokende asensemo ya elder intete kwira na mai gake iro kansemo ya mara ni toru chaba ngina bago itu usaba abantu bakurwanirwe engencho ya marimo turoje muntu agwito singincharo mbogotu aba murata itakoni gusaba bata itakoni buri mu ngino chukwanga bayimuka bayita abayiburi. So it also affects a family komenya no bwamo na harmony area family komenya mo na abayiburi. So it's also again tekene na nyago tebe go affect na sensemo ya masomo abana to singinchekera chisekchero monomona sensemo intimate partner violence abana bari mbari go chikokina go sekwendera gusoma abande boyika ba drop out kuro chikwanya round kiro muntu akore into pia. So maybe if daktari has more.
I like that she has brought in children as the biggest casualties as amangana violence. And I think even as we are championing for the end of GBV, the next big conversation is to focus on children who are growing up in violent environments, who have grown up in environments that are not safe. Because we are looking at our future here. We are looking at the future generation. Must you stay in that relationship very violent if it is harming the children? Men and women are fighting. Now, most times ukiangalianga hiyo vita ya mama na baba, watoto wanabakingi hapo tu, yani wanalia, wako torn, they want both mom and dad but hawajui waende kwa nani. I have seen cases where hata mtoto anajaribu kupledge loyalty kwa mzazi mmoja, anamwambia enda kwa mama yako nini. Sasa mtoto anakuwa torn in between. In the end yacha ya affect abana ba psychologically. Psychological is not even enough. Right now nguko anatore conversation ya mental health issues. Group ki ego suffer depression and suicide the most in the world right now. It is people who are below the age of 18, 19 and below. Abuna the largest number of suicide cases even in our own country, Kenya here. And we go trace back the life ya banaba, you will find that they started suffering depression when they were as young as maybe 7 years old. Kwanya kuigu cases tio mwana even a 7-year-old akuengenta paka abantu babolingo yunere ngikiamo cyane nina kia ikirabu. Utapata ni hizi shida tu za nyumbani na parents don't want to take responsibilities for their actions. There are so many young people who are suffering suicidal. Wale suicidal in the sense that batagete kuengenda lakini wanasukuma tu masiku. Unaenda hata Facebook once in a while turi kuigore post gete kwa nyorumo ntori kirabunga I have had enough. Obidi abantu goodbye paka mwaboranga is he okay, somebody check on them, are they okay? So that is another very bad effect. Alafu balibale in schools, especially balibale high school, ebago chapaka baba affected performance. Kwa nyoru mwana olingo mungaini sana, wono performance theyo. I am a teacher in high school. We have cases where umwana mumurago chote byo mwalimu. Nje one day ile kitendo baba anafanyia mamangu, siku mmoja nitaoa huyo mwanaume. Siku mmoja nitaoa. I'll kill that man one day. This child is already professing. It is only a matter of time before he kills that father of his, and immediately he becomes a criminal. So you can see the rise in crime can easily be perpetrated by what? Violence ile yenye iko nyumbani. She has mentioned the loss that we suffer. Government spends millions, hundreds of millions of shillings on treating cases of violence. That is the thing that Kenyans don't know, which is money that could have been channeled towards other things. Why? Umukungu orio kona choko boko igwa kwoko boko oiruke TRH. Kose goika igwa mariogo. If it is an amputation goso koboko ko ikokonacho. Kose bali gyoko boko konde. Kose inebeza. Money that could have been spent on something else. Enyombe rieko egosambo abantu bakurwa napaka basambe enyomba. Abana bali bawo cyababa psychologically traumatized paka tu abatuma kuru skuru tu abatenga bagende bayirwa se counselor. Uso mwiburi goika kanebeza ase counselor. Egero mwana anyore psychological healing airane school. It is expensive. GBV is an expensive affair. Abantu abago perpetrate any form of violence no nyebali twate ababa FGM ekere bako ba arrested kose gwika baba arrested waende wawekwe kwa cell na hapo ndani ya cell kesi pitisho judges wakae chini unaona that whole expense from the time wanakuwa arrested paka wawekwe ndani. So GBV is an expensive affair. Loss of life abana batigara batabwati omoibori oyo moito yonde, so one parent is dead, oyo ito yonde Nairobi kuime abana batigara orphaned over something that could have been avoided. So the effects of gender-based violence are so many and they are deep. They affect society.
Which means
yes, in a very big way. Violence yenye inaendelea saa hii, and let nobody fool us in, oh, you know, when we were young ngwa kutwarenge keboko na Bible baito, that was different times. We are in a time and age where technology iko mkononi. So our watoto, the minute wame access simu hivi, they can see what is happening around them. They know that children have rights. They know that it is even wrong for this and that. There is a child who trended in Britain, was England, who sued the parents because walimtoa England wakakuja kumpeleka a boarding school in Africa. So huyu mtoto amefanya nini? Amesue the parents for the torture, the mental ile torture wamemfanyia, wamemtoa nyumbani kule penye amejua as home, wamorentire a boarding school in Africa achego soma. Violence ere deep. Na inde, so long as we don't talk about it, the biggest casualties igana abana. Adults wanachapana, the worst part kwa iguna na ateba. Wa kaneke wa umane gwakia maambi na inde olioso kogende nginje na achire after 2 weeks ohirana. Abana mbabo ati feelings chirimo bwate as parents aye mwancha ine abana babanchite in a different way muomana kwabo guri kwagenda nende kwairana bono you keep messing with the emotions chi abana batigara they don't even know what to do or how to deal with the emotions. So violence nembe.
Just on that inseme ya bana kidogo. You see, even the parents baraboka banyene ikesi kimuga koyo watu ngina chita kanga gafuelo mwana kanda kangine ati so modified. You see, even aba iburi boka banyene bachakire kugiria abana ebintu byo kungaine rusobo ne sengincho maybe mugako gokogosire. So it's also important what time akorina kino twagosa no mugakone na kitogo tema go solve issues tutinyo koreta abana ono ngeno mwana ki ogaine recording yote ne coding na tata na define that attempted defilement mugaka ga 17 years. You see, what also does that portray? At some point one we chiro tell ya njema month on I think one na how we also raising our children na utrini abana beto yani go cover perpetrators. You see, they also a part of the criminal process since they are
okay, vya sana mokwera vya sana kubwa mnona madam Magdalena kwa na igoro ya na gender based violence so ya chika sinyeli chiwo tumeka ukoze so okuya kuhudumia magana mange akole tuna usakuza ya kurukura sama magana gender based violence kubwa mwana kera magana ya gachagite usumo chekera mutuka ya 15 nomo raiwense William Ruto na nyatuka bagakorangiria the women leaders within ya Kenya akanyara koraga kubichire sange 100 million chipe system itiro cyo sentie gite se romagoro babusi maito se tiro cyo bagani chigite
tinda iwo se chaikire but I know that umukutano you arangeriti human reps was like a few days after wa umeranete gaga gusigesieka courtesy of our mama county, and they came for an empowerment program baka launch gender based violence yeyu the 16 days a few days before to chicheko launch ya 25th. President yekira barangeriti abatebeti nganko bari 100 million. Hiyo ni kutamka na ni vizuri alita. I was very happy when he said that. And then after that, now we need to know hii pesa wakati inakuja, who is it meant to benefit? 100 million is still not enough. It is a drop, sincerely speaking. If it was 100 million for Kisii County alone, you would see the impact. But it is 100 million that is supposed to be shared countrywide in the 47 counties. You know that money by the time itakuwa broken down, the local mwananchi anaweza kosa kufikiwa na hiyo pesa. I'd like to hope that by the time pesa itakuwa released, the women reps will go down to mwananchi and particularly pay attention to victims of violence. Not sensitization anymore. People have been sensitized enough. We are on air every single day. We no longer need road shows. You know, we need to go down to the local mwananchi. Ule mwanamke mwenye umepigiwa simu kama taya ugatebunga umusubati nali gaki wage tuigore yani tabwatia sako genda kia. It is indeed true. Aya sore taya, you don't even know how to help her ikiagera tubwati resources yekyo nayo ogotebanga onde bwensi ugo gutangaza onenga onde bwensi orayo omonginoyo obokonyi bonde bwensi koranje reach us on this number. You have only created a channel for this victim of violence konyora aid. But if that money can come down, ebe placed in strategic places where victims of violence wakipitia jambo kama hilo wanaweza pata justice, itakuwa vema. For example, I like the work that FIDA does. FIDA eba call for services for free. Na inde no bali pake ground hiyo. Eba watenga onde bwensi yogwetera violence even na intimate partner was a conflict in marriage nebintu kunebyo. We are here, we are available, and we can offer pro bono services in case you need what, in case you need help. I like organizations nke go chirichiko nyora funding korungumbu. chigo champion for ending of gender-based violence. You will see their work. That is why Orochi organizations chichibwate the toll-free numbers. The minute yesimi ya kiruiga umuntu naro konye receive from the other end and immediately action ya chaka. The process of justice ya begini go mwana ugo sova rescued ekina kiagende paka giachegieka kotini. So it is not just about money has been given, it is about what the money can do. It is a whole system. It's a whole system paka ule perpetrator of violence awekwe ndani. I can tell you for sure out of the 100 cases of violence chikoba reported kabisa paka abantu bamanye thing ekineke kere open kere obvious. How many reach the final stage of justice? You may not even find 30%. Another 70% zinapotelea in between. Part of the reasons why zinapotelea in between is because resources nchio. Resources nchio. Na kyo tebya basikari bagende go pick kusimonto gete kurwa sigete bamorente asigete. They will ask na kitogo fuel yegari. We don't have the resources. Omugambia gwetara ondigagenda ategerere kina kyo mwana getobere defiled. After that, organizations chire local chabo SICOM, if they don't come to the aid, umano yuma itakonyora justice. Takonyora justice. So it is important that such money is put in the right structures so that it's idea the victim. The biggest challenge here is the victims. And while at it, we can also use such opportunities to also speak to the perpetrators. Some of the people bago kora crimes bago kora out of ignorance. For example, let me talk about defilement. Defilement is engaging in any sexual act with a minor. I want to table this situation. Abana funzi mbako rete form 4. Abana abuna bali high school mbako ate girlfriends in high school. Taribo? Omo murana arabu okodire form 4 18, a girlfriend ya form 2 yarenge gusari 16. Omo muroyu this December he has turned 19. Next year, akanyaruka kukale girlfriend kare 17 atakuwa form 3. Aba ibuli benyarukeye. Wako bwato mumuroyu bako mubeka ime nga he is an adult engaging in sexual affair with a minor. There are very many young boys who behind bars in prisons for being accused of defilement when in actual sense they are in the same age bracket. The real perpetrators of defilement aba sacha abago tubale above 40 years, above 30 years wako defile mpaka minors bagenda barwebesa ekina kierera isiko. But young men who are below the age of 20, go say 22, go say 21, go chinse, who are in the same age bracket, barenge na kanyaruka ku maybe high school, wako behind bars out of ignorance. They did not know. You see, they do not know. So we also need to reach this voice ifike kule nje hata kwa watoto wenye wako shuleni, especially tukiongelea mangana ya defilement. Egere we sensitize the boy child. Tomotenga ga ki boy child onye ko what a girlfriend or below the age of 18 naye gwakorire high school tigana nere oyune minor ayegono ne senior aine adult tigana nere tigakore paka atane 18 plus. Ndio sasa kama kweli ulikuwa unampenda hapo sasa sheria inakuruhusu ukue kwa katika uhusiano na huyo kwa sababu ni adult. Yes.
Wow, sana. Tuko chasi nsemo ya Madam Edna. Lero tuwate wani bituguri ochengera obwaliwa mwana watu Human Rights Day. Bono inubu na Human Rights Crusaders ni mwakibo. Roli ino nyerigeye kwa ene kina magana agenda based violence anyana kwa wakago kia na kuwa mwana soro kwa wabusi.
Eroli itene no gusomia abantu igura human rights obwene bwabo na ndo mate human rights echibagire categories isatu ndobwate civil and political rights chiri chikwanchira abantu kwandamana kuburi chikura go participate nsemo ya siasa na chiri ko civil and political rights ndobwate economic social and cultural rights echimono mono chiko cha sensembo etu ko na mangana GBV mangana yo konyoro ko ende skuru kilo mwana nabo ntako ya konyoro bwene bwa ko ende skuru amangana yo konyoro kurwali gose chinyagitari health chiko fall under those social and economic rights and want about special interest groups kwa sabantu babwato bolema people with disability, older persons in the society, abantaba gotu abasaye ebibionse pimbiro na nimbira seri chikorito ya Kenya under chapter 4 of the Bill of Rights of the Kenyan Constitutions. Wone ekente kenen toko koramne into abegiriwo bwene bwo banyabantu no gosomia abantu ikoriyo bwene bwabo na ninkiri chikoriko teba richikorito ya Kenya richikoriri asensemo ya ense ya Kenya ere part of tokoroka chi treaties iroka chi chia the UN conventions chi Kenya chi part of them inki rigoteba naende na kitura nyare kuimukiriria abantu baito bense ya Kenya gusensema ito ya gusikwigiro bwene bwabo naende in cases whereby tokonyoro muntu uniririwe obwene bwae ngoso atoreime nasengencho buna daktari ata bambaro ebyo mbiro biko support in terms of access to justice ekere kwa uniririvu to work together na barobu to link up banyora haki yabo wana igente kenenta kwa no kwigira no defend bari batari kwinyara bari batanyari gukwanira twacha busibwa twakoraki twabegirira no ena abana senjo chinza chinda abana baraike bambabe bakoraki bari under special groups no baraike mbakwana nakiki tuko twataba ki intumna abagereri etucha tiga go define abana tiga koraki tiga ko na abana chi haki chabo choko ende school usokonyora masomo toimuka twakwana kwa niaba yabo na biri chinde ndiri gwikara yatakira to nawe kotini twateneno gustwaru evidence ngokora tori bintu bnebi ona rero na kitoko maka the Human Rights Day ethimi yarere yarenge our rights our future right now etokurigeriringa obweno boito borobi intubweta muno omwana Kenya generally obo musacho obo musubati obo mwana obo muntu omogotwa society obo wene bwa omborobi inkirichi koriko teba iguru yo bwene bwao mambi yao na kiego chakoba ne maybe tokayo lakini kituranyara gukora the next generation the future ebe suitable saba bagocha usaba bagukina bona na kitogota yanga actions chibende ko taken right now no any implementation ni amachiko ali arora sense ito ya Kenya tigabe implemented no nyo muntu tokireka uko violate rights che umwana Kenya usimuntu ndibwense tigari chikuri koreki li take is cause wana igente kenenki na togo tebya abantu nga rero muri International Human Rights Day abandi bakuburi naki ngimukone ko yabasubati tiga guita basubati kuko ntore end femicide ngo arangenge nchabantu party for the past few months ngore chikunya ko rise over 100 plus megi kunya wataga say their names but baruka maria taba to bamanya basubati obaititu abandi either through relationships abandi either through cults and each group echo konya mono na abana basubati abake either university students bago into relationship baitu very vulnerable in one way or the other one regen take na to kwa tamandamano town to gotayanga it's a human rights day women rights are also rights they also need to be protected to tige kuba amfu na the murder should not be justified to tate na mutita singin yake the other ways to resolve no nyuri the chief just enjoy and about the walikula fair no nyuri the fair the other ways to resolve that you don't have to kill it's an offense so as human rights defenders very scared ata banke to go champion for this we still continue doing our work to tsemia bantu to enda saving your gwetera civic education to kusomia abantu batenga dichikuri gotebaiga obwene bwa korengana nirichikuri toria Kenya mbaro na lili nene iririge na igana onde to bwente kuniriri ukorenga kulingana ningenchare gose the way you put no musubati obo musacha obeki to bwente kuniriru no bwente konyoro bwene bwa usichinya gitari nyora mariogo uruarigo no na banta bagotu mbagwate rights chiabo under article 57 rights of the older persons na kiro chini government ya chiritina mangana ya chipesa ba kwa ego chipakori na chire chinke social security ni ribo bwente koiru engineer under the economic and social cultural rights e family role ya unereri wo defend umuntu yamogotu guso mwana oyo guso go defend musubati guso go defend mugako guso musawe eserikali role ya enereri asense mu yokwene kinga abantu bonse banyaro bwene bwabo no gokogenda no ni chigasi chiroti gachibe distributed equally gwetera equitable distribution of jobs and resources to the young people na gweta so those are some of the things to what makosomia abantu gweta na ndi kubegerera na ndi kuba represent asense mu yake yes
wow yes kwa kwanja maana femicide usoro kwa waswati madam Magdalene ikiyakogera this time round twanyoro rebaite tabina nasoro wa kusibuka yani tutabensengi abasubati bawo ntusana ngi gocha kiagera abanyana na bawo ntuma
igoro nari gwetere report gete ya UN women babigeta se website yabo and I was shocked at the numbers 140 women and girls bawo itukera letuko that's a huge number Africa alone in 2023 abakungu 21,700 baitire just for being women. Na sio ile kesi, it's obvious. It is femicide, not homicide. Kenya, the last 3 months, 100 plus women baitirwe. Na ukiangalia kila kesi inakuja kivyake. Kuna husband ameachwa, anaua. Kuna husband wako kwa ndoa na bibi, anaua. Kuna mtoto wa miaka 7 alitumwa na dadake, wakaenda sokoni kwenda kununua chakula kwa duka. On their way back, abana bacheze nga hide and seek. Oyo mako minyoka igabwe bisa, oyo ndo minyoka igabwe bisa. On their way back, oyo yomo by the time ako ebisa iga, her sister achite kumuri gose na her friend tamorochi. Ogwaka maiso iga akaenda nka kurangeria abantu mjutororo mwana mitonga yagenda. Mwana who was looked for the whole evening hakupatikana. The next day, by the time mtoto anapatikana, alikuwa maiti. She had been defiled and killed. You see, cases tia bana abe university mwarora chi Airbnb na mangana asarika umongina nare nere obete raped 76-year-old magosa enaragi bali ba high school bali ba university makosa ni alikula fare ama alienda kwa Airbnb. Huyu maybe akataka chenye anataka na yule akakataa, akaamua kumuua. Huyu mama wa miaka 76, kosa lake lilikuwa lipi? Anakuwa raped, alafu anakuwa strangled, anauawa kinyama. So all those cases za femicide mnaziona na ziko different in every case. There are mental issues. Moroche, there are men who have mental health issues. Abu already they are the biggest perpetrators in this case. There are these gender wars. Abantu wagotenga conversations yitogo tu are online. I'd like to say that social media is good for communication, but social media is also really bad when people are using it as the wrong tool. Nkogenda online, maybe as a woman indika abunte benga men are dogs. What am I creating? I'm creating a war. Because women on that post, women watakuja wata-agree with me, watachocha kabisa. Wanaume watakuja hapo kwa hiyo post na wao pia watatetea, watasema pia women are this and this and this. Not everybody who is my followers, he has that mind of sobriety. Tari bonzi bago think soberly. Umuntu naro koligererie post yane o pick. Otebanga huyu mwanamke anaongea hivi. Ogenda o effect hatred yaye on me ogendo okorera an innocent woman back in the house. So we have to be very careful how we even do our posts online. Some of these cases could have been prevented if only we spread the right messages online. Every time a woman has been killed, wanyakorora comments chia bantu online, women watakuwa hapo wanachocha kabisa, wengine wanasema rest in peace, wengine wanaandika chenye wanaandika. Wanaume pia kuna ile group ya wanaume itakuja hapo itasema we want to know ni nini alifanya ndio huyu mtu akam. Surely, do you need to do anything in order for you to be killed? The 76-year-old woman, ni nini alifanya? The 7-year-old girl, ni nini alifanya? The 2-year-old child who was raped by her father, did she die? She was badly mutilated, raped by her own father down in Nyamira. Alifanya nini? How did she seduce the father? Did she had ni mtoto mwenye pengine anavaa diaper? Makosa yake ilikuwa ni ipi ndio afikishe babake point yenye anamfanyia kitendo kama hicho? So we have to sit down as a country, as a community. Toborani, where did our morals, where did we lose our morals? Secondly, how are we handling people in our circles and beyond? Ondebwensi yobwate voice ago communicate on social media platforms. How are you using your voice for positive change? Like now, femicide has been on the rise. Kero Montako reacts. Most of the people who react may not even be related to the victims. They may not be family, friends, and so on and so forth. Fine, tutaandika hapo rest in peace, tutaandika chenye tutaandika. But I have my platform of 5,000 followers. What message am I putting out there in regard to femicide? We have come on Etaya TV. Etaya has so many followers. What message are we putting out? Are we saying it is women, women, women? No. We have come here to say both men and women matter. Today is Human Rights Day. As a Human Rights Day, kiro muntu nabwate a human right. Igo, I cannot say I hate men ekiagera a man alinifanyia violence. No, I went through violence and I still have men who are good friends banga and they will support me and they have always been there for me. It was one bad person, but all the others are still just fine. So we must stop hating everybody just because one person amefanya makosa. Umontoyo mube kokoko seire whatever nje bono I hate this gender. Okore relationship umontoyo moko was men are dogs. I hate men with a passion. Yeah. These are our brothers, these are our boyfriends and we love them. You know, and they are human beings and they are colleagues. To korega sinabarabwe. Kwani uyo korega sinere ne dog. Osenere ne monster. Osenere ne murderer. Yeah. Tari bonzi barego. So we are only appealing the right conversations, the right network, yani the right message, AK Sikari, because now we must save the lives of these young girls, we must save the lives of our daughters.
Wow, yes, thank you so much. To kuchokola sinye njondo chena chinsa chito chiamnime kile sana. Now that rero to kora okunyera ochingera kwa mangana ya gender based violence na kunyera kungike bado igoro oito kwa abanyaroka apo n'abasubati. The way forward one which kusiga iga does it mean na tuba kuri iga SLPK iga rero to kora na umongo kireraga iga osebado nende kuchikora kwa nganda kuchikosi ngo hamasisha watu about amangana ya femicide na bega amangana ya gender based violence
nduri gukorera bado tutaendelea sincho chi program sinchiro chigenderete na ande tari bono twacha 16 days konye nchiro na still tutaendelea chi program chino cha activity nchiro ebyombe mbiro iruka nsemerete ya gusie binge birekira ase bikonye gukwande kuikira mangana gender based violence weta biro bigene nyogosomi na still tutaendelea na ndeni cases kikere chiroro na boto correspond but again tekenene inchinta ite ko emphasize na implementation sichi laws chiri chiroro daktari nate abantu bote various laws, sexual offences act chiroro children's act chisheria chiri chiroro laws chiro chinto bote Kenya chiko chemangana gender based violence in the property matrimonial and property act na bintu binde. How effective are they? Chi institutions chiri mandated no judiciary no DCI no public director of public prosecutor gasi abonere no aba chief batia mangana kangaroo courts gotetia to kwa nevinte binga go se clan elders so nyumba ko mirangira ni to kamba mangana to korerensa tiga implementation of those laws chibororo ama chiko akore gasi ya bwenerete nigendo kene na for mean the judicial system access to justice abantu abange ko pa go tend to take back I think it take too long ko nda ko tingi kunyo kubwati ki na kunyo koraki na ndere very expensive uko yani ko bori institutions mune chino judicial services na kibaranya go dita go siko K yani the time line yo korege ntomune kina forensics bakorega siabo kubwata inekere ba chira say crime scene tigabata meko collect enough forensics chiri accurate na jike kina kita ikensema ta ya iraninka. So it's calling upon everyone to take part their roles in all this.
Yes, thank you so much, Madam Magdalene. Kira yako kwa nayo machungu ngiredia nakugabana na ujugusiga yengi mu mucho kwa kina manana yengo nyararokana kugabana sura kuroksi.
Na inchenda ite bring in my voice ngote banga organizations inchiroro chinyinge and tubate partnerships. I like partnerships because as I said this is not a war that can be won no montoyomo. We got to partnerships. Different state and non-state organizations, gender department, police, media, they are playing a very big role. On the ones you wait violence here of any kind, do not keep quiet about it. Toll free numbers in Chiroro, Nabuto Chisomaga, Iganenda, Bantuba, Bachinyore, Egerebaka. Yes, Ednatiganya will prepare the list. Egera Bantuba, communicate. It is free. Yani work is free. Whatever gentogete montogete asigete ngweterale violence na kigo simoko mokonya. That is one. Number two, tigatwanchane in our homes. Let us learn what you call emotional intelligence. Yani to be in control of our emotions. Tari kirege eba gusingo tebeka na balinga na batindi bali. But tumaete tunasemanga hasira ni hasara. Ekero monta ago chegirigo sako goseire. Sometimes breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Just walk away from that situation here, conflict here, Ngeenda kwanza ora cool your temper, ukirudi sasa mnaweza pata conversation, mnaongea as two adults. I like the way the men are also coming out. For me, that is a positive feedback. Kiagera, they are also coming out and saying na barabungwetera bari violence, and we have listened, we have heard organizations inchiro roinche manyetebu na uchimarani siko mnovari, and they have programs kadhaa chiribao the men, boys to men na programs kama hizo. So men, thank you so much for also speaking out ntororo ndo baigwete. Yes.
Yes, madam, na tumekisi kwa nyole chambi kise mkisa chai na baba wasomero kwa nchumuri kufanya kwa toko kuleraga.
Singing, maybe prepare. What I'll do is we'll get the numbers to Batigira, and then you can also read them because nando kwenye chini tambe 088 kwa chipomu ino.